2025. So happy Labor Day to everyone celebrating or having a day off of work if you're in the US or an American overseas working for an American company and you happen to have off, well then happy Labor Day. Uh, so Bitcoin and the altcoin markets starting the month off with a big dump for the holiday. Is that what's happening? No? You tell me. And what would a big dump exactly signal to you? Would it tell you to buy more or would it tell you to sell? Should have sold the top, right? And you take profits at the bottom on your short. And then you should buy the bottoms and take profit at the top on your longs. Pretty straightforward, right? At least that's how it's supposed to be, right? And then you try to look into investing and trading and you figure, oh, anyone can do this. This looks easy. Here, I see there's this pattern that keeps repeating that every September. Well, not quite every September. Almost every September. Well, if you look at it a little bit closer, most Septembers, the price seems to dump. Really? You're going to place your money on that information? Most Septembers, the price seems to dump. The thing about trading is you really do miss a lot of occurrences of opportunity when you don't have a very big outlook on time and a short outlook on actual trades. Your big outlook on time should always be, yeah, I understand the big picture. I understand the market generally heads towards the upside. I get that. I got plenty of runway, plenty of room for error and learning. Everything's wonderful. I can move forward. I can grow. I can make sure I have enough gains to do what I have to do. Everything is fine. Big outlook, big runway on time is everything is fine. Great. But on the intraday, where you actually pull the levers, right, push the buttons, where you place your longs or your shorts, your outlook has to be very micro, right? You have to be looking very precision. You have to be deep in the weeds on the low time frame information, because that ultimately is what makes and breaks trades, right? Sure, you can try getting that perfect entry and then just let it ride for days, weeks, months, or years. But a lot can go wrong with that, and probably will. Or you can do what a savvy trader will do, one who knows how to trade the actual volatility, entropy, probabilities, and statistics. And you can exploit the inefficiencies of the mostly random market by trading low time frames intraday. since that is where most occurrences of opportunity exist. Look at any time frame. Means do one thing, which is they distribute away from the mean of returns and revert to the mean of returns. I guess you could say there's two things. They distribute away from the mean of returns and they revert to the mean of returns. That's what returns do. Price action tends to follow that. If price action does anything, that's what it does. Price action is random most of the time. We can prove that. When it's not random, it's in trending mode. We can prove that too. So, price action, when it's random, well, it's random. Expect funky things to happen. When it's in a trending move, it's in a trending move. And you can see that very clearly with our entropy indicator. That's literally why we made it. By the way, our amazing indicators at Alpha Trading also let you see clearly into the future with the direction of the RMLR, the future direction of the RMLR, which is a very powerful indicator. If you want to know about the returns and the mean of returns and distribution and mean reversion, well, that tool lets you quite literally see into the future about that stuff. And right now, it just happens to be a Labor Day holiday weekend special sale going on at Alpha Trading. And that means that you can get any Pro Trader subscription. Yeah, so there you go. Get interrupted there. So yeah, there's a sale right now happening on the Alpha Trading indicators. If you want access to the Pro Traders subscription packages, any of them, or the Alpha Trading tutoring service, tutoring package, I guess you'd call it. Just go to alphatradinghq.com/discord and go into the Shop Alpha channel. And there you can see all the information about the sales. All right, that's going to do it for now, folks. Happy September. Happy trading. Peace.